Let divine love be the path we choose. With gentle kindness we can never lose. Patience and respect will make us strong. In our hearts is where we all belong.